Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the audio service is not running in Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Osho service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Osho Endpoint Builder, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, after uninstall restart System. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.